Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I want to talk about the Kidazzler Potential Earnings versus the Kidazzler Actual Earnings. Okay, so you can see here that my potential earning is up to $8,033 per month. Okay, but a lot of people are asking, okay, if it says you can make $4,800 per month, why is your potential earning more? Okay, so what Kidazzler is telling us is that we can earn up to $4,800 per month. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Okay, earn up to $4,800. So the breakdown would be, it would be a combination of the businesses that you lock in, the businesses that people you invite lock in, whether they're friends, family, people you don't know, it doesn't matter. And then businesses added by friends of your friends. So the people up here that you invite, they want to invite people as well. So it's a combination between these three types of income. Okay, so realistically, and I want to be realistic here. Realistically, not every business is going to opt for the paid advertising. Okay? And I want to make it very clear because I'm seeing some misleading posts out on social media. People are just saying you can earn $10 per business that you add. Well, that's not true. You can add $10 per business that you add as long as they pay for the advertisement. Okay, so they have to pay to advertise on Kidazzler before you can make that $10. Okay, so when you're promoting Kidazzler, be honest, be transparent. Let people know that the businesses they lock in have to pay for the advertising in order for you to get paid. Okay, so realistically, I'm not going to make $8,033. But realistically, I can make up to $4,800 a month. That's actual earnings. Okay? This is actual earnings. This is your businesses that you add are paid for the advertisement, and all of these businesses that are added by your friends or people you invite, and the businesses added by the people they invite. Okay? And those businesses have to do the paid advertising. Okay? I can't stress that enough. They have to pay for the advertising. It wouldn't make any sense for Kidazzler to pay us on a monthly basis if the businesses aren't paying them. Okay, now the good thing is we will be able to continue to add businesses ongoing. And so will all of our friends. And so will all of their friends. Okay, so eventually it is very possible to make $4,800 a month. Actual earnings. Okay? So it's important to understand the difference between potential and actual. This is potential. Okay? This right here is potential. This is actual up to. Okay? Now in phase 2, when they start reaching out to the companies that we lock in and offering them the paid advertising options, then we'll start seeing an actual earnings amount. Okay, but again, let's be realistic. I don't know how many people Kidazzler is going to have pitching their advertisements options or their advertising options. So realistically, we may not see potential earnings immediately once phase 2 starts on April 1st. It depends on how many people they have calling businesses and how many, what their quotas are. Okay, so we need to be patient. And we need to be realistic. And we need to be honest in our advertisements and our promotions. Okay? Don't hype this up and be dishonest and lie to people just to get people to join. Okay? So there's that part. All right, and out on my blog, I try to answer questions that they're not answering if I have an answer for it. But since this is, this is fairly new, they're being very tight-lipped on some things, which is understandable. I've been online trying to make money since 2014. This is the first model I've seen like this, where you can actually make money through revenue sharing without having to pay anything. Okay, there may be other companies out there doing this. I just haven't found them. Okay, so when you join, this is the other thing I'm seeing. People are joining, they're adding their businesses, but they're not doing anything else. They're not trying to learn exactly what Kidazzler offers as a long-term opportunity. Okay, so read my article, watch my videos, go out to the Kidazzler blog, look at their frequently asked questions, go through, what they're offering, look at their videos as well, because the more you know and understand about Kidazzler and what they offer, the more you can share that with people, and people will join. Okay, so this is a community built. This is a directory that's going to be built by a community. So it's really important that you understand what Kidazzler is, what they're wanting, and what they're offering us, and how to go about it, and how, to reach, to get up to that potential of $4,800 actual dollars a month. It is very doable. Okay? But you have to take action. I see a lot of people. I have over 500 friends, and I know that some of them are not within the U.S. and Canada. They're in other parts of the world, and they're hoping that Kidazzler will allow them to join or be active and add businesses. But there's no guarantee. Okay, that Kidazzler does intend on adding more countries in phase 2 and beyond. But there's no guarantee of what they're going to be and what countries they are. Okay, we don't know. That's one of the things we're being tight-lipped on. We'll find out as we go along. Okay, but if you're in the U.S. and Canada and you're joining Kidazzler and you're not taking action, you're really missing out on a good opportunity here. And I knew that this would happen. I knew a lot of people would join, and some of them would take action. Some of them would take that ball and run with it, and then others would activate their account and do zero. Okay? And those are the people that, unfortunately, if they're eligible to add businesses now and they're not doing anything, those are the people who are probably never going to make money online. They like the idea of it, but actually doing anything and actually working at it and trying to build their downline, they're not into that. And that's okay, but it's unfortunate for them because this is a great opportunity. Okay, so go out, read the blog, read mine. I have a lot of different ways that you can contact with me. You can connect with me through YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so I added a link today for the Kidazzler blog. You just click on it. It'll take you out to the Kidazzler blog. Frequently asked questions. Learn as much as you can. Okay? That way you can be honest and transparent with people who are asking you questions, and you could tell them and give them accurate information. And if you don't know, say, I don't know at this time. Just be honest with them. Okay? Because honesty is everything, and trust is everything in making money online. Okay? And it's everything in every relationship that you can possibly have. Trust. Okay? So, please like, subscribe, and share. Please join Kidazzler. I have links in the description of this video. There's links down in the comment. Check it out. And if you're in the US and Canada, now's the time to get on this and add more businesses. I provide additional information to you after you join. So it's awesome. I mean, it's really fun. I go out and just refresh. See, it goes up. When I added this, each week what I do is I go out and I update my potential recurring income. Before I updated this last Monday, my income potential was $6,100, and it's increased by almost $2,000 since last week. Now, again, realistically, I know that, I'm not going to make that much, but this is potential, and even if I could get a percentage of this amount, it's going to be fantastic because it's passive and it's recurring. Okay, so what did I do to do this? I have a YouTube channel, and I post YouTube videos, and I have a website, and I wrote a detailed review that I update weekly. Okay, I also post on social media. I also post on classified ad sites. Okay, now I have a video that I posted on how to promote Kidazzler. But it's really up to the members to learn as much as they can about Kidazzler and take consistent action. I work on Kidazzler every single day. Okay? So it's possible. If you're serious about making money online, if you're serious about making a passive, recurring monthly income online, it's possible. And Kidazzler is giving you that platform. All right? So thanks for watching. Best of luck. If you have any other questions that Kidazzler is not answering, ask me and I'll try to find out. Thanks.